Where's Marvin? Marvin sleeping? Huh? My tail moving, no. My tail moves when I talk to him. That was his feet. Boy, I gotta vacuum that chair off again. Oh, wow! Look at here, trailers galore. Combination flatbed tanker, custom that I started making. Got a lot of work to do in that one. It's gonna have a crane on it with the outriggers in the back there. See, diamond plate floor. I might use that diamond plate for my floor of my quicker picker upper and make a different bed for the other one, but I'm not sure yet. Anyways, then I got my other custom scratch built drop deck low boy. Call it a low man. My low man trailer. And that 40-foot trailer there and that 20-foot that Jim Bob's crawling on. That's that kit. Well, just a 40-foot trailer actually. So if you buy that kit right there, you can get that 40-foot flatbed trailer. Plus these sides that you can use for something else. And these sides that come with that can actually make two trailers because you can make your flatbed, which is one trailer. And if you had some extra wheels and axles and stuff, we can make another trailer with the sides and top, back, the doors. The doors are in here. Found my hinges for it finally. Here's the hinges. Other parts. That's 3 pieces actually put together, by the way. This is only the one section. Same trailer. Oh. Here is another trailer. Oh, buddy, I'm sorry. You just gotta go potty or something. Oh. Here is another trailer project I started. Not really started. I did, I guess. The trailer that I had started for my Mac. The Greyhound, I think it was. Real long, stretched silver frame. The V8 in it. R model. I'm making these for the frame rails. I have those on there for the tandem trailer, or tandem for the trailer. I mean, will be from an old Mac, the Bogey, call it, I guess. I got this whole pack just for this trailer for all the parts, wheels in there, tires, brake parts, axles. Axle I'm using from the Lindbergh kit again, which would be the same axle as this. Probably not even show up because it's too damn dark in here. Anyways, You got these marked, so you know which way they're hesitated to want to go. Way I sanded them to make sure they fit in the proper. When you line them up at an angle, I have them sanded, filed just right so they're nice and straight. So when I put them together and glue them together, I got them marked so I know which way they go. But same as this here. That's this stuff. I don't know how much this was, but it wasn't much. There's like 2 pieces in here yet, and a third shorter piece. So I'll have enough for the ends. I started a board. The 3 pieces glued together. I figured it would stay straighter. It warped more and just, oh my god, it was, talk about warped, right? So my video I had, it was called Something's Warped. Yeah, something's warped, right? Anyways, for a custom trailer, when you're talking like $4, this is a solid piece of wood that I bought. And I think it was from Hobby Lobby. So it's a little thicker. It's gonna stay straighter, and these they stay straight. I mean, how do you say it? They line up right in there with that groove. But the weird thing is it's the exact same length. They're cut perfectly from the factory at exact the same length. Just like this one. But I cut this one off a little bit because this one would have been maybe like that much longer, I thought. Oh, no, wait. That's right. That's why I made it. That's the exact same length as this one. But the trailer itself, they were just, this back section here is shorter than the other 2. Would have come out about there. I think that's why I cut it back. Anyways, it's going to be a cool project. So, flatbed. Call a skateboard. I don't know if you're a trucker. But the Lindbergh box trailer, like I was saying, makes it really nice, halfway decent. I mean, flatbed trailer. You can do a little bit more work on it, but this is pretty much straight out of the box if you make it. There was kits like it for it, just without the walls. Made it a little bit cheaper, but I gotta put taillights on it yet. Both of them. So cobwebs really got a hold of them here. Spiders in there. Weathered up the bottom a little bit. More realistic. Those are the wheels that come with the kit. Those are not. Those come from the Ertl MPC 3-axle gravel trailer. The only kit they ever came in. I like them. And the little pup trailer goes with it. You got the front axle somewhere sitting. But it's a matching little pup trailer. I gotta put some landing gear on yet, but Nobody should know what this was. If you see my videos from last year, it was with um, slightly modified Mac cruise liner. Here's another trailer that had started. This is what was the frames for our tanker. I'll probably have to make a better video of this, but top edge of that's got an angle on it because it comes up to the round part of our trailer. Actually, this same kit, part of the tanker. But I'm going to put them right up to the edge here.